초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
How to solve for the sides of a right triangle. Sine 30 degrees is equal opposite or over hypotenuse is equal A over C. That's so. Cos 30 degrees is equal adjacent over hypotenuse is equal B over C, which is ka. Tan 30 degrees opposite over adjacent is equal A over B, that tawa. Cot 30 degrees is equal adjacent over opposite is equal B over A, which is cow. Sec 30 degrees hypotenuse over adjacent is equal C over B, which is sha. CSC 30 degrees is equal hypotenuse over opposite is equal C over A, which is Cho. So as you can see, there is triangle there. 30 degrees, 1. The missing is A and B. Find the A and B of the figure on the right side and evaluate the 6 trigonometric functions. Sine 30 degrees is equal opposite over hypotenuse is equal A over C. Sine 30 degrees, again, sine 30 degrees is equal opposite over hypotenuse is equal A over C. Sine 30 degrees is equal A over C is equal A over A. 1 sine 30 degrees is equal A is equal 1/2. Tan 30 degrees is equal 1/2 over square root of 3 over 2 is equal quantity of 1/2 and quantity of 2 over square root of 3 is equal 1 over square root of 3 is equal square root of 3 over 3. Cot 30 degrees is equal B over A is equal square root of 3 over 2 over 1/2 equals quantity of 3, quantity of square root of 3 over 2 and quantity of 2 over 1 is equal square root of 3. Sec 30 degrees is equal C over B is equal 1 and 1 over 1/2 is equal 2. CSC 30 degrees is equal C over A. So, cos 30 degrees is equal B over C is equal B over A. 1 cos 30 degrees over B. B is equal square root of 3 over 2. Next, if opposite of the given angle X is 1/2 and its hypotenuse is 1, find X. So, follow the formula, which is sine X is equal opposite over hypotenuse is equal A over C, which is so. Sine X is equal A over C is equal 1/2 over 1 is equal 1/2. Sine X is equal 1/2. X is equal sine negative 1 quantity of 1/2. X is equal 30 degrees. Given that cos B is equal 1/3, find the other trigonometric functions. So, follow the formula, which is C squared is equal A squared plus B squared. Then substitution, B is equal square root of C squared minus A squared, square root of 3 squared minus 1 squared equals square root of 9 minus 1 equals square root of 8 is equal 2 square root of 2. Sine X is equal 2 square root of 2 over 3. cos x is equal 1/3, tan x is equal 2 square root of 2 over 3 over 1/3 is equal to square root of 2. Cot x is equal 1 over 2 square root of 2 is equal square root of 2, 4. CSCX is equal 1 over 2 square root of 2/3 is equal 3 square root of 2 over 4. Sec x is equal 3. That's all. Thank you.